Okay, so Google just dropped a series of massive AI updates, and almost nobody is talking about the bigger picture. But this isn't just a random list of new features. Oh no. It's a very deliberate, unified strategy that could seriously change everything. So, in this explainer, we're going to cut through all of that noise. We're going to break down exactly what Google released and, more importantly, why it matters to you. Yeah, we're only focusing on the updates that could fundamentally change how you build, how you create, and maybe even how you work forever. I want you to just hold this question in your mind for a little bit, because by the end of this, you're going to see exactly how Google is trying to make this a reality. So here's the crucial thing to understand. Google isn't just releasing a bunch of disconnected tools. They are building an interconnected ecosystem. It's a strategic play to own the future of AI development. Right. Most people see these updates as separate things, but that's a huge mistake. You got to think of each one as a puzzle piece. And the last update we're going to cover, well, that's the one that snaps everything together. Okay, let's start with the first piece of that puzzle, Gemma. This is a big one. Google has basically just handed out Gemini-level AI for free. Now, the two words you need to pay attention to here are open models. What that means is developers can download this thing, they can modify it, and they can run this super powerful AI however they want. This isn't some watered-down, weak version. It's built from the exact same core research as Gemini. And this slide really shows you the impact. I mean, you can now run a seriously powerful AI on a normal home computer for free. For startups, for solo developers, this is an absolute game changer. The cost barrier to building sophisticated AI tools, it's just been completely obliterated. So Google has given all the builders a powerful free brain. But, that's just the foundation. The next piece of the puzzle is for the creators. Next up is VO. And this is all about making high-end AI video accessible to, well, everyone. The key phrase here is 50% lighter. Now, that's not just some small tweak. It means AI video, which used to be kind of slow and clunky, is now fast and efficient enough for you to actually use in your day-to-day. So you can just type a prompt and get a high-quality video, or you can upload an image and literally bring it to life. This covers pretty much everything, from short-form content to product videos. And this is the critical takeaway. The gap isn't just about having the tool. It's about building systems around it. The folks who integrate this into their workflow now are going to have a massive, massive advantage down the line. All right, so we've got a free AI brain and an accessible video creator. Now for the third piece, a tool that just radically speeds up the building process itself. This slide says it all, doesn't it? I mean, forget digging through thousands of lines of code. With focus mode, you just visually select a part of an app, a button, a screen, and you tell the AI to change it. It's like using your mouse to edit a sentence, but you're doing it for an entire application. The speed increase here is just astonishing. It shrinks that whole feedback loop from hours, sometimes days, down to just minutes. This allows for incredibly rapid development and experimentation. Okay, so we have the free model, the video creator, and the instant editor. Now it's time for the final piece, the one that connects everything into a single, unbelievably powerful workflow. Pay close attention here, because this is where the whole puzzle just clicks into place. Google is now integrating its entire back-end platform, Firebase, directly into AI Studio. So what you're looking at is a brand new workflow, and it's a total game changer. You start with an idea in AI Studio, you use the power of Gemma and the speed of focus mode to build your front end. Then, and this is the magic part, with a single connection, you link it to your Firebase backend for all your databases and hosting, and then you deploy. It is the entire development cycle from idea to launch, all in one seamless place. And this quote right here brilliantly illustrates Google's entire philosophy. It's all about collapsing the time and the complexity it takes to bring an idea to life. It's about making creation feel almost effortless. So, what does all this mean when you put it together? Well, it signals a massive shift in who can build things and what's even possible anymore. This is the number to remember: one. Just one person. Just look at this comparison. I mean, previously, to build a real product, you needed a big team juggling a bunch of different tools, and progress was always slow. Now, this new Google stack empowers one person to manage a single unified workflow and ship things incredibly fast. And this isn't just about efficiency, it's about leverage. The people who adopt these integrated workflows are moving at a speed that is simply impossible for those still stuck using the old fragmented methods. The pace of this change is only accelerating. The power to build like an entire company is no longer just for big tech. It's now in the hands of individuals. That question we started with has an answer. So the real question now is, what are you going to build with it?